Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to build brand awareness. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in creating, optimizing, and executing Facebook marketing campaigns to effectively introduce your brand to a wider audience, enhance brand recognition, and establish a strong brand presence. Section 1. The importance of brand awareness. Brand awareness is crucial for any business that wants to succeed in today's competitive marketplace. It refers to the level of consumer recognition and recall of your brand. A strong brand awareness enables you to stand out from competitors. In a crowded marketplace, a well-known brand stands out from the competition, making it easier for consumers to remember and choose your products or services. Build customer loyalty. Brand awareness fosters customer loyalty by creating a positive perception of your brand and building trust with consumers. Drive sales. A strong brand awareness can lead to increased sales as consumers are more likely to purchase products or services from a brand they recognize and trust. Section 2. Defining your brand identity. Before embarking on your Facebook brand awareness journey, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your brand identity. This includes brand voice, the personality and tone of your brand reflected in your messaging and communication style. Brand values, the core principles and beliefs that guide your brand's actions and decisions. Brand positioning, the unique place your brand holds in the market, distinguishing it from competitors. Visual identity, the visual elements that represent your brand, such as logo, colors, and typography. Section 3. Creating engaging brand content. High-quality content is the cornerstone of effective brand awareness campaigns on Facebook. Consider creating informative blog posts. Share valuable and relevant content that educates your audience and establishes your brand as a thought leader in your industry. Eye-catching videos capture attention and convey your brand's message with engaging video content, showcasing your products, services, or behind-the-scenes glimpses. Interactive polls and quizzes. Engage your audience and gather insights through interactive polls and quizzes, fostering a sense of community around your brand. User-generated content. Encourage user-generated content by running contests, inviting reviews, and featuring customer testimonials, building brand authenticity and trust. Section 4. Utilizing Facebook's organic and paid reach. Facebook offers both organic and paid reach to amplify your brand awareness efforts. Organic reach. Focus on creating high-quality content that encourages likes, shares, and comments, expanding your brand's reach through word of mouth and organic engagement. Paid reach. Utilize Facebook's advertising platform to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, reaching a wider audience and enhancing brand visibility. Section 5. Measuring brand awareness. Tracking and measuring the impact of your brand awareness campaigns is crucial to assess their effectiveness and make data-driven decisions. Key metrics to consider include brand mentions. Monitor mentions of your brand name, keywords, and hashtags across Facebook, social media, and online platforms to gauge brand recognition. Social media engagement. Track metrics like likes, shares, comments, and follower growth to measure engagement levels and brand interaction. Brand sentiment analysis. Analyze the tone of online conversations about your brand to identify positive and negative perceptions and address any emerging issues. Facebook offers a powerful platform for building brand awareness, connecting with your target audience, and establishing a strong brand presence. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create effective brand awareness campaigns, optimize your content strategy, and measure your impact on brand recognition and reputation. Remember, brand awareness is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort, adaptability, and a deep understanding of your target audience. With a strategic approach and a focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can leverage Facebook to build a strong brand that attracts and engages consumers, ultimately driving business growth and success. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to use Facebook to build brand awareness. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly.